For the style portion of the haircut, we're going to use our Zorian of New York gel with the aloe vera in it. It's 100% alcohol free. We've redampened the hair and we're going to put a drop of the gel in there and we're going to dry it. So we want to straighten that wave out a little bit and we want to give it a little bit more height. That's what the client asked for. And then we're going to finish up with our Zorian of New York grooming cream, which has a medium hold and a medium shine. And it's going to allow him, if he wants to run his hands through it during the day, he can. It's not going to harden up like a hairspray or anything like that. So those are the two products we're going to use. Again, we're going to need the hair dryer and a vent brush after we put the gel in. So we're going to use a small amount, not too much. It's a very thick gel and it's very heavily concentrated. So it'll take quite a bit of time to dry if you put too much in. But again, the nice thing is it's alcohol free, so it's also 100% flake free. So you'll see as we dry it, you won't see any flakes or anything. So we're just going to dry it all straight back. We want to give it a little bit of a lift. We want a nice powerful dryer with a nozzle on it so we can direct the heat, and a good vent brush works well. So as you noticed when we were drying it, by rolling the brush like that and getting the heat right down to the roots, that supports the hair and holds it up. And then from the temple area, drying that up into the crown, that also lifts the hair up. So during the day, if it falls down a little bit, it'll fall right into place. So once we get the hair into the shape that we want, then we're going to take our grooming cream. We're going to take about that much, good amount. And you want to emulsify it in your hands really good before you put it on so it looks almost clear. And we want to get it right down to the roots. So over the top and then down to the roots of the hair. And then to keep that lift that he wants, what I'm going to use is a pick to style his hair. So we're going to take it and we're going to comb through where the part is to the side. And then we're going to lift it up in the front. And as I'm doing that, I have the product on my hand. So I'm getting more product on his hair. And in the back, we want to comb it to the side and push it down opposite the disconnection. Okay, now we're going to spin them around, and you can see how the beard blends right into the hair and the fade. And in this area here, as I said, when we're combing it, I have the product still on the opposite hand and pushing that down so that stays down and it all blends in. And we're right up to the disconnected area there. So for a quick review, we first used our Zorian of New York Firm Hold Styling Gel to dry the hair and get it up into place, get the shape that we wanted. And then we used an ample amount of our Zorian of New York Grooming Cream so that'll hold it in place for the rest of the day.